Today's segment on under 2 minutes is covering a tool that is incredibly useful. It's made for simple art all the way to complex, and that is the line segment tool. Backslash is the keybind. So this tool is used just for lines. That's it. Very simple. It's just a line tool. So if I click and drag, it's going to create that line any angle and any length that I want. As you can see, I can adjust it. I can make it whatever I want. Now, while I'm holding down, if I hold shift, it's going to lock the line in a 0-degree angle. This is really good for straight lines. It'll also lock it in other specific angles. That way you can make things really uniform. But let's just draw it at 0 and let go. So here we go. As you can see, there's nothing actually here when I let go of my line, and that is because Illustrator only sees lines as paths. This is not an actual shape, it's just a single path. So what we need to do here is click, go to the Properties tab, and go look at the stroke. We're going to make that stroke black. There we go. Black stroke, now you can see it, and you can increase this stroke to whatever size you want to make it wide or as minimal of a line as you want. But the reason you can only do stroke is because Illustrator doesn't view this part as a shape. It's just an extension of this path with the stroke. So if I fill with a color, you don't see anything. Now, all the line tool is just combining paths to make different shapes. Very simple and easy, but super effective.